even better than I was the last time, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
ooh. We back.
What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Trinity if you're new here, and if you want to join my family, you just gotta click subscribe. It's that easy. Tonight, I'm actually going to be making a nice good old treat. If I'm ordering a milkshake, it is always and forever going to be the Oreo milkshake. It is my favorite milkshake. I believe it's y'all's favorite milkshake because I had a poll up and everyone wanted me to make an Oreo milkshake, and I'm happy I did because your girl want a little treat tonight. Especially after that little dance I had. I'm a little hot, plus I got this hoodie on. It's definitely time for a good old milkshake. So as you can see, I have my blender. I haven't used this blender in I think in over 2 years. So don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. I think it works. Let me see. Ooh. It still works. Perfect, because you need a blender. You need a blender to make an Oreo milkshake. Of course, you're gonna need Oreos. I decided to actually pick up the double stuff. Since we're making a milkshake, I was like, you know what? The extra cream might be really nice and sweet and tasty for this milkshake. So I decided to try out the double stuffed Oreos. But don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Original all day. This is just full of crushed ice, but I don't think we need ice for this recipe. I've seen people use ice before, but this is strictly optional. I have some chocolate. This is a chocolate that gets hard when it touches something really cold. I personally like that. It adds an extra crunch. Make sure you have milk and vanilla ice cream. I have that in the freezer, in the fridge. Let me go ahead and get that out. I do not want it to melt under these lights. And the milk. I'm so excited because I love ice cream. You can use whatever type of milk you want. This is whole milk. You can use reduced milk, soy milk, almond milk, coconut milk, but I know for a fact that whole milk is always the way to go when you're trying to make a milk shake. Let's get started. I'm going to fill this up a little bit with milk. I don't know. I always say this, that cooking is about preference. It's not really about wrong or right. Okay, this is, I tried to be fancy, but this ain't gonna work. I'm gonna put in the vanilla ice cream first. And I believe this is what's going to give it the texture that milkshake should have. I feel like ice would be kind of like a backup, but I don't know. Just keep ice by the side, just in case. I'm gonna quickly take some Oreos because I will let you guys know that I probably should have crushed up the Oreos before even putting ice cream into this container. All right, I think that's enough. Let's just go with it. Now, smash them up. Ooh, this is a great way to relieve stress. Oreos are nice and crushed up. Ooh. And now we're gonna drop them in here. Oh man. Okay. Hey, by the way, I've never made a milkshake before. I just knew it wasn't rocket science. Like, come on, how tough can this really be? Okay, I'm gonna fill it up. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up because I need to see what I need more of and what I need less of. I actually lost the top to this, so I'm gonna use a napkin and ooh, mixed milkshake. Okay, well, it says milkshake, so I guess that must mean it must be for milkshake. So this point it's actually really liquidy, and I like mine thick. That being said, if I need to add ice in it, I will without hesitation, and I won't apologize for it. Okay. Well, some people would be okay with this, but I'm not. I'm gonna add the rest of the ice cream and some more Oreos, and then I'm gonna blend it up, and hopefully it's the right texture. Oh man, this bag is cheap. See, this is why you gotta go with the brand. This bag is just, it's definitely not sturdy. Alrighty. Ooh. It looks nice. Oh my gosh. Wow. Y'all, this is looking really nice. I want to taste it. Y'all. Wow. That's beautiful. This is so good. The only thing is it's still liquidy, so I don't really know how to resolve that issue. I do have ice. Listen up, if you like milkshake, liquidy but very, very good, this is perfect. But I want it thick, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of ice. I don't think it's gonna water it down, I don't know. But I can always add some more Oreos just to bring back that sweetness. All right. It does taste good. I'm going to add some more Oreos because you just can't have enough Oreos in my opinion. Let's blend this up. This is getting full, wow. Come on now, get up on there. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour this. I did rinse out this glass, so it is a little bit wet, but that's okay. Oh wait, hold on. Let's add some of this chocolate. I'm gonna add the chocolate just like on the inside like this. I don't know, I hope y'all can see it. Ooh. I'm gonna pour. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm gonna add some whipped cream. You know you gotta be extra. I'm gonna crumble a little bit on top. I'm gonna add an Oreo right here, let it sit. And then we're gonna go ahead and finish this off with a nice straw. And voila, a milkshake, look at that. I did that. So as you can see, that was pretty easy, very simple, straight to the point. Anyone can do this. If you have leftovers, I would prefer putting it in the freezer. I don't know what it's gonna do, but you know what? Put that thing back in the blender the next day, and you should have a pretty thick milkshake. I don't know.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's taste. Wow. Oh, it tastes so good. It tastes just like the cookies and cream ice cream. Just like it, and it should. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Woo! Let me slow down. I don't want to brain freeze. pretty sure y'all know how good this is. It's literally Oreos, milk, and ice cream. You cannot go wrong at all with this recipe. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Shout out to these people right here for being part of the J team, the support system. I really do appreciate y'all. If you want to shout out like them, you just have to click subscribe and of course turn on that notification bell and let me know below. And again, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for taking time out to just be here. I really do appreciate it. And you already know, make sure to be bold, brave, and beautiful. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye. Woo. I'm never paying for a milkshake ever again.